dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
Yes, that means that when they cook the saltfish food and give to the slave, they don't have to cook for a long time till when they reach the port. So just like we said, they continue drinking water too, right?
Yeah.
And due to that time,
Right. So what do you want to do with
What
this?
was that?
due,
Just a can that hit the floor.
Oh,
But
okay.
it didn't actually hit him, I think he just got it.
Just juice though.
during that time,
Yeah.
they never have fridge and all these things, you know. So you have to preserve your food.
Right.
And the only way to preserve your food, you have to use salt.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the only way to keep it fresh.
Yes.
So it just keeps falling.
Could
Yeah.
you hold it, please?
Well, I'm not gonna hold it.
Put the phone on this side and catch it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So during that time, they never have fridge, so
Right.
Yeah.
they have to use the salt to preserve the food. That it can stay for months. And nothing can do saltfish, you know, it can stay for months.
Right.
That's
Just like
crazy.
that outside. But we grow with outside kitchen, not kitchen like this, you know. Because if I look back on my life, growing up in the 70s, I'm like Elon Musk. I'm a super rich guy. From where I know I'm coming from
Right.
to this position.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes I feel a little bad. Not really guilty, but sometimes I feel a little bad to know that these people who grow me up. I didn't grow with my mother, you know.
Oh,
I grew with my auntie. I don't grow with mother, I grow with
Okay.
father. I
Okay.
don't know this type of love, you know. Here with parents. I don't know come from school and somebody say your homework. I don't know all this madness, you know. I never have this opportunity, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to be fair and honest
Right.
with myself. Yes.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes. Living in Kingston.
Okay.
5, you said, right?
Yeah.
Oh, 5.
Yeah.
5, yeah.
5 more or
Me make 5 too.
you make 5? Okay.
Yeah. And I didn't have privilege to all these things.
Right.
My grandparents they die and they never have a fridge. They never cook on a gas stove like what we cook. All their life is wood.
Sure.
That's why I don't leave it. I keep it like a root, you know.
Right.
To keep that memory. So in this time and this position, I think I wish there could be here for me to give back something, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because even now, the place that what I'm living on now is for them inheritance.
Is what?
For them inheritance.
Okay.
The land belongs to them, you know.
Okay.
And it passed down to me.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's Panama Canal. Canal where they have in Panama. My grandfather tell me that's where we leave Jamaica and go there to work as slave to help build that place, you know.
Really?
In cheap days, you know. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yes. God, they was taking you from the Caribbean and all around to build that ship port. Yes. And he go there and work and send back the money. Because it's an original culture from a long time, you know.
Right.
He send back the money to his wife. And then she purchased the land.
Okay.
Yes. So that's how we come by this place.
And next it goes to your daughter?
Yeah, I think so. So I don't grow with biological parents, you know, because my mother gives me away to his fair auntie
Right.
and go to Kingston
Right.
looking for better opportunity. Just like how you done left Jamaica, so you want to go to New York looking for better opportunity to make money. Yeah, that's what she do. So I call my mother Bess. And when you grow with your grandma, you call her mama. I don't know if they do it in the States.
Yeah, I think whoever you live with, maybe you're gonna call.
You call your granny mama.
Okay.
Because two you feel your mother now, I call her mama. And you never grow with your original mother.
Right.
You just call your mother like the name of everybody call her. And call your granny mama. Yes. Most Jamaican kids grow like that, you know.
Really?
Yes. Yes. Because it always reaches the point where you come from a family where nobody have 9 to 5.
Right.
People have to scatter around
Sure.
looking for survival.
Make money any way you can.
Yes. So you always end up grow with grandma.
Right.
And then your parents, your mother or whoever now bring money come in a weekend time. Come to grandma and by Sunday then gone again. So all their life I just grandma, you know,
Sure.
you know, mama. Yeah, that's how we grow.
Okay.
Yes, and these people couldn't read and write.
Mm.
No, and we grow a time when there's no pressure like now, where you have to go to school.
Right.
No,
Mm.
these people grow and belong and believe in nature.
Mm-hmm.
So all their life based upon farming
Right.
to grow food and bring to the market and sell. That's how they earn for their money.
Is there a lot of farming on Jamaica
Yeah, man.
still?
Yeah, man. But mostly in Saint Elizabeth,
Okay.
like you're going to Negril, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like the food basket when it comes to tomato, all these tomato and onion and all these things where you buy, they really come from there because they have less rainfall there, you know. Portland have a lot of rainfall. That's why we don't even grow so much ganja here, you know. What you have all these coconut and all these breadfruit. Certain things don't grow in certain parishes in Jamaica, you know.
Okay.
Yes, that's how it works.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So that's why when you go to Negril and all these places, you find so much ganja, treasure beach, because they are more dry. Ganja don't love water.
No. Well, you can eat the coconuts and the breadfruit. You can't eat the ganja. So it'll be here.
That's true.
It'll be here.
That's true. That's true. So my growing up from early age, we learn how to survive, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And I don't grow with money, you know. No. That's why until now I'm not a greedy person for money.
Yeah.
Because I didn't grow that way, you know. I grew up in a time when we have more social movements, when people don't see money as no big value like now, you know. Like you have a farm, the whole community come to your farm to work for you this week, you know. And like me come to work for you, me bring what me can, that man bring what he can, and then the woman, when we working, the man working. I didn't work that time, but I'm just telling you, me go with my grandparents and see it go.
Right.
When the man working, the woman cooking the food.
Right.
And lunchtime now, everybody come. So everybody come and work for the whole village this week. Next week now, and next man gonna work on his farm. The whole village go to help that person again. That's how it used to go.
Wow.
But now it's not like that. If you tell somebody to work, first thing marks how much a day you can pay. So the people lose all that true way of love and connection with everything, you know?
Yeah.
So that's why you have so much problem now, you know? Because people don't value certain things no more, you know? It's all about material things.
Yeah.
So the more material things you can come around with and offer people, you become powerful. That's why people crazy to have that power right now, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, because people looked up to you. You know? Stupid people, not me, you know? 'Cause when you have so much material things, I don't care about you, you know? Fuck off, you know? Yeah, because to be honest, most people become rich because they suffer other people by manipulate your labor. They know they should pay you $1,000, they end up paying you $500, so they can become rich. Which you appreciate it at that time because you think, oh, I have a job,
Yeah.
and the job gonna help me pay my bills and this and that, and they keep you in that mindset, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's hard for you to live that mindset, you know, because you never know a next way outside the box, you know.
Right.
So
Yeah.
it's better to know different way of survival and don't know one way.
Yeah.
Because when one way break down with you, that's why maybe you have so much homeless people too. They don't know a next way to survive.
Yeah.
He lose the work, it's 9 to 5 where you could sit in an office in your condition, working computer, get paid every month. When that system go,
Yeah.
him going around in circles.
Yeah.
Because he cannot figure out the next way how to survive, you know.
Yeah.
But me now, if I lose it, I would know say, you know, say, I go and buy 50 chicken and make a cube and raise the chicken and then sell the chicken and then sell the egg.
Right.
Or maybe raise some goat
Yeah.
and then sell back the goat to the butcher in the market.
Right.
That me can have a money then and still get some of the meat. Because I'm not gonna make him have all of the meat, you know. So you have to have outside the box, you know.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you use outside the box thinking, and you see it working, nobody can bring you back to this 9 to 5.
Yeah. Yeah.